Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be going over 3 ways on how to make money online. Alright guys, before I start off this video, I just want to say if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the first way to make money online is through Amazon FBA, which is also known as private label. So the way it works is you look for an online product you want to sell and you buy it from a wholesale website. A lot of people choose Alibaba to purchase their products. And then what you do next is you promote that product on Amazon. So say for example, if you're promoting a flashlight, you buy that product wholesale from an online website, an online reseller, and you send that product to the Amazon fulfillment center where they pack, fulfill, and ship out your product. The best part about this method is that you don't even have to see the product. And once the customer makes an order of your product, that's when you make a commission. Now the benefit of using Amazon FBA is you don't even have to worry about driving traffic. You're using the marketplace of Amazon to sell your product. And a lot of people use Amazon every day. Now the second method to make money online is through dropshipping. Now what dropshipping is you look for a product that you want to sell online, you find an online wholesaler who's selling that product, and then you promote that product on your website at a price that you set. Now when somebody places an order on your website for the product at the price that you set, that's when you make a profit. Then you place the order with your supplier at wholesale price and they ship it to your customer. The only thing you have to worry about is how to market and get traffic to your website to promote your product. Now the third method to make money online, and this is my favorite right here, this is what I use, is through affiliate marketing. Now what affiliate marketing is simply promoting an online product and getting people to purchase that product. Now when you have somebody purchase that product through your specific affiliate link, that's when you make a commission. I personally like this method best because you don't have to worry about inventory, worry about shipping, none of that. All you do is just worry about getting traffic to your affiliate offer. So whenever somebody makes a purchase through your affiliate link, that's when you make a profit. This is my personal opinion, the best way to make money online. You can literally make money in your sleep if you're doing this right. Now don't get me confused or anything like that, because this is a learning process and it doesn't happen overnight. There is trial and error that you have to face in order to perfect this method. This is a great way that many people make 6-figure income. And if you guys are serious about making money online, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and you guys can check out my personal recommendation on how to get started. And I'm gonna also leave a link in the description below for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. Now this book helps you decide what niche you want to promote and which platforms you can use to promote your affiliate offers. And if you guys are new here, like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos, because I'm gonna have a lot more great content coming out in the future. And if you guys felt like you got any value out of this video, let me know in the comments what you guys think. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.